This is our Tummy Time kit. Find everything you need for a fuss-free tummy time. Tummy time is not only important for preventing flat head syndrome, it also helps prepare babies for sitting, rolling, and crawling. It is also a great way to bond and play with them. Our Tummy Time stand has interchangeable high contrast patterns to encourage your baby to push up off the ground. It also has a baby-safe acrylic mirror, which they will love looking at. Use our dual Tummy Time pillow to support each stage of your baby's tummy time journey. At first, you can provide more support as they'll learn to put weight on their arms. Then slowly decrease the support over time by changing the pillow's configuration. Our sensory pads each offer a different sensory experience to explore. Look into the baby-safe mirror on the fish and touch its crinkly fins. Tap and shake the squid for a gentle rattling sound. Touch the jellyfish for crinkly sounds and play with its colorful tentacles. Hide and find the pearl in the clam. Offer the Wobble Wobble toy during tummy time to encourage your baby to reach out and bear weight on one side of their body. Push it all you want. It'll wobble, but it won't tip over. Practice reaching and grasping using our rolling rattle. It rolls left and right and makes a gentle clicking sound, which is a great way to capture your baby's attention and encourage them to reach for it. Find more information about tummy time and simple activity suggestions in our play journal, and then use it as a keepsake for all the precious memories from this stage.